Are your headlights faded? Are you tired with poor vision at night but you don't want to spend a couple of hundreds on new ones? Then this video is for you. Hello and welcome in Rookies Academy. Today I will show you how easily and quite fast you can renew your headlights on your own. I will use basic polishing set you can get online. This one is extra large, so it's supposed to be big enough for 2 cars. It includes sanding papers from 600 to 3000, polishing pads and drill extender, polishing paste, UV protective wax, and instruction how to do it. So let's get started. This is how my headlights looks right before we started. So quite faded and foggy, not in perfect shape. And now we will go step by step through entire process. that's the result after the polishing. So as you can see, headlights looks much better than before. The whole job took me like 2 hours. It wasn't very difficult, it wasn't very hard, it's quite simple actually, and I must say it was definitely worth it because the result is great. For so little money, it's a big difference. So guys, thank you for watching. If you like the video, please leave a thumb up, maybe even subscribe, maybe even leave a comment. Thank you.